Dear educators, welcome back to the Student Alliance family. Now we're going to talk about how you want to change this dice into a normal version and at the same time have multiple dice at the same time. So from the settings option that we explained last time, here you can convert this into dots, and at the same time here you can increase the number of dice that you want. Now let's check for 2 rolls. Just click on roll, and there you have your numbering done. So this again is useful based on the type of games that you play for the students, but point being that this makes learning much more fun than it used to be. Thank you so much.